In this video, we are going to see how we can record the cash withdrawals from the bank account. As we can see here, on 6th of January, it says cash taken out of Citibank for office use. Now, just remember that this cash is not spent yet. This is just taken out of bank, let's say from the ATM, and it is used to keep as petty cash. So basically, we want to transfer the bank balance to cash. So this is basically a journal entry. How we can book that? I'll just go to Gateway of Tele and click on vouchers from here. And from here on the right hand side, we have the journal option. Once we are in journal, if you can't see it in debit and credit form and you see the to and buy format, you need to configure this to debit and credit form. Just from the bottom right, click on configure. And once we see this option, you can change this to yes, which says use credit debit instead of to buy entry. I'll change it to yes and press Ctrl A. And after that, since the cash is increasing, I'll just debit the cash with 225,000 against what? Against Citibank. So Citibank balance is reducing and we are withdrawing this amount in cash so that it can be kept as cash or petty cash, whatever. And we can mention the narration here. If it is withdrawn by bank account, we can mention it like that, or otherwise I can mention ATM here. If we have any receipt number, we can mention that. Copy and paste this narration right here. And that's pretty much it. Ctrl A to save. Now, if we want to locate all of these transactions that we have just entered, we can go to Gateway of Tele, and from Gateway of Tele, just go to display more reports and click on daybook, and you should be able to see all your entries. If not, you can set the right time period by just clicking on the corner arrow next to date and set the period from, I'll set it to 1st of January till 31st of January, and it shows you all the transactions right here. So this is how you can book the journal entry of the cash withdrawals in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.